You heard what Mariah said, and I am doing the best with what I got. Look, I don't have a state board license, but I'm trying to trim my hair. You know, the big CV came for me last year and burnt out all my ends, all my edges. I had to shave it and grow it back. So now I'm trying to do the best to maintain my hair. Talk to me nice. Don't come for me, ladies. I know it's not perfect, but I'm doing the best that I can. Thank you very much.
Baby, it's the everything for me. For me, for me. 'Cause baby, it's the everything for me. For me, for me. Baby, it's the everything for me. For me, oh, for me. Pretty, but coming from that pretty mouth, the truth is fitting. 'Cause you ain't never talking loud and you know plenty. You know what I'm talking about, 'cause you just get me. Yeah, you so pretty. If everything is dipped in gold, then baby it will never grow. Everything sweet ain't sugar-coated. What a lie. What a lie. What a lie. What a lie. Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. I guess I'm doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want?
My new bitch look like Halle Berry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch fun like Jackie Brown. I wanna love her, she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, down, no maybe. In the meantime,
Stop going where I want.
need some me time.
Hope you doing what you want.
Crib by the beach like Odell. Over my killers don't tell. Shadow my mark of the New York the shelf. Now my bitch is to Chanel. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime,
Stop going where I want.
get some me time.
Hope you doing what you want. Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast and you do what you want.
In the meantime,
Just not doing what I want.
get some me time.
You doing what you want.
In the meantime,
Just not doing what I want.
get some me time.
You doing what you want.
Maybe I'll love myself, I don't know. Leave me here, I'll fuck myself. See me in the mirror, I duck myself. Don't need myself, fuck my wealth.
Now, tell me what you said. You said that you would come again. You said that we would remain friends, but you know that I do not depend on nothing or no one. So why would you show up so uninvited? Just change my mind like that. Please don't take this personal. But you ain't shit, and you weren't special till I made you so. You better act like you know that I've been through worse to you. I just can't keep running away. But I don't need you. 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 But I want Everybody's like, he's no item. Please don't like him. He don't wife him. He one item. I never listen, no. I should've figured though. All the shit you was spitting so unoriginal. But it was you, so I was with it. Then to tell you the truth, wish we never did it.
Breaking news. Welcome back, everyone, to my channel. My name is T Cake, and this is my fitness journey. And I'm trying to hit all my fitness goals, and I want to be a better me. But breaking news, in New York, we had an earthquake today of a magnitude of 4.8 on a Richter scale. I did not feel it. My son said he felt it, but I have an onset of vertigo and a queasy stomach for some reason. So maybe, oh, look, as we speak, see, the alert system is going off. Oh shit. Let me see. It says aftershocks may be felt. Oh gosh. Like I said, I didn't feel anything, but I feel a little queasy and I have vertigo. So I don't know. Maybe someone can tell me down in the comments. Is it associated with earthquakes? Am I supposed to feel vertigo? Am I supposed to feel queasy? I don't know, but my son said that he felt it. Oh my gosh. I'm out here. I want to work out today, but I don't know. I'm going to do my best, but I'm going to take it kind of real easy today. But okay, guys, I'll fill you back in. about to go home, but they said it's supposed to be aftershocks. But I had to put my glasses on because after I work out, I'll be looking like Woodsy the Owl. So I'm on my way home. I'm on my way home. I got all my shopping done, so I don't have to come back out. I'm home. It's been a couple of hours later. But I'm feeling like today is just a weird day. I just feel like my energy is so off. I don't know if it's mental with me, but between the earthquake and all the rain and the solar eclipse that's coming Monday, my energy it's just off. Like I'm feeling really weird. I don't know if I have vertigo. I have a slight headache. My stomach is queasy. I'm a little bit anxious. Does anybody else feel like that? I just feel so weird. I said, well, maybe if I take a nap, it'll feel better. But I just feel so weird today. My energy is just so off. The weather's off. I don't know, maybe it's just a mental thing with me. Maybe if I just try to relax, and bring my anxiety down, I'll feel better, but I just feel my energy is so off. Monday's the solar eclipse. I have a Canon camera that I use to vlog, but I have another camera that zooms into actually the moon and the sun. I have another camera that can actually zoom into the craters of the moon, and I want to record the clips, but I'm just feeling just weird about that. I'm just feeling so weird about that, whether I should do it or not. I don't know if my anxiety is anticipation of the solar eclipse coming, because I don't know what's going to happen. I know it's going to say, I'm in New York here, so before it was 90%, now they're saying it's 100%. The weather's supposed to be good. I have everything set up, so I don't know if it's the anticipation. I don't know what it is. They say it was supposed to be 3 minutes of darkness, but then people are going into these conspiracy theories, like it might be 3 or 4 days of darkness, or maybe that's embedded in my mind and triggering my anxiety. When I record it, I don't know what I'm going to see. People are talking about the Devil's Comet, and then you're going to be able to see Venus, and you're going to be able to see Jupiter. And I don't know if I can take all that at the same time. And then they're supposed to be shooting rockets into space and turning on CERN or whatever. So I don't even know if I want to do it, if I want to film it, because there's so much going on right now that I can't even process. And then I'm trying not to anticipate the aftershocks of this earthquake. So I don't know what's going on. But I hated this vlog have to be like this at the end. I just wanted to be a little real and forthcoming about how I was feeling, because I'm not happy all the time. The vlog is not going to be happy all the time. There's always things that's coming up that's beyond anyone's control. So I'm going to close the vlog now, and peace everyone. I will talk to you soon. Bye bye.